Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Phatkat Collections. Today I want to do just a quick update video. I'm not going to be reviewing a watch, but I'm going to be talking about a watch, and I want you guys to know what's coming down the pipe this week, what's going to be released. And some of you guys might be wondering who follow me are big Invicta collectors that, yeah, we know, we've heard about this watch before, but you know, a lot of folks, and I get it back and forth, some folks really follow me on just YouTube, some folks follow me on both YouTube and my group, Invicta Addiction, which if you're on Facebook and you haven't signed up for that group, go ahead and search it. It's a great way to show off your wrist shots and show off your new products, and a great way to share information with other Invicta collectors about great deals or upcoming models. It's a great way to stay informed with all the new hot models. But if you're not on YouTube, and a lot of you guys are on Facebook, and a lot of you guys have told me, thanks for posting that update on YouTube, because I would never have known about it. Some people didn't even know about the Yellow Tag event until I posted like a status update on YouTube. It wasn't even a video, and some folks were like, geez, thanks for letting me know. So it's a great way. I like to share this information with both platforms. So this week they're going to release their newest highly anticipated model, the Bolt Hercules. Very flashy, very over the top, and if you're an Invicta collector, you're going to love it. Now, this was available for a very short time, and they had it listed on Shop HQ or Evine, which is, it used to be Shop HQ, then they changed the name to Evine. Now they're back to Shop HQ. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to refer to Shop HQ as Evine. Guess what most of you are familiar with who have been buying these watches for a while. And Evine's always been a great place to buy. They have the value pays. They have no interest. Basically, with the value pay, if the product qualifies, you get to make 6 monthly payments and pay it off. And for some of the Invicta watches, some of the diamond editions, sometimes you may not want to drop $1,000 just right then and there. So it's a great way to be free. You're paid off in 6 months and you got a new watch in your collection. Other times, and I will say, a lot of times you get some good deals on eBay as well. It really just depends on, and Amazon as well. So I always try to give you guys, the best price where I can find, where I can find the stuff for the most affordable deal, and through not only reputable sellers on eBay, but also again, where the best prices. So Evine's a great website. Invicta store is fantastic, and I just want to talk a little bit now before I show you guys, and I have a video showcasing the Bolt Hercules, and some of you may have seen this already. It's directly from the manufacturer. Others may not. Like I said, if you don't follow the Facebook groups, you probably haven't seen this. So I'm going to share that with you guys in a couple minutes, and we'll check it out. And I want you guys to comment. Let me know what you think of the watch. I think it's gorgeous. It's available in 4 different variations. But before we do that, what I want to do is just talk a little bit about the deal. So again, sometimes you get the best deal through eBay, and I always put the links in the description where you can pick up these different watches for not only from where they're available or from reputable sellers, but some people just may feel more comfortable buying in different places. So Evine's always been pretty fair. Again, they have the value pays, and their prices to date have been very tough to beat. Again, you may find a good deal on eBay. Sometimes Evine will, if it's a watch that's a little more rare, they're going to pump that price up and leave it sitting there eventually till they sell it, and then you'll find a better deal on eBay. So you really just have to be a smart shopper is the point I'm trying to make. But to date, Evine's always been pretty fair with their pricing. That until the Yellow Tag event came about. And the Yellow Tag event, I feel like, has been happening a lot more. Mainly because, I have a pretty big Invicta following here on YouTube, and I feel like the fact that I've been mentioning it, I feel like since I started mentioning that, and it really started happening back around, I would say around the first of this year, maybe around January, February, when I started to see that these deals were amazing and started sharing them in the Facebook groups and then posting videos about them. It seems like they're happening more and more, and really there's no seller, Evine, nobody can touch the pricing on the Yellow Tag event. You're getting it directly from the manufacturer, and in most cases, with some of now I don't sell Invicta watches, but I don't have inventory or anything like that, but I've talked to several people who I do communicate with and sellers I work with, and they're just like, man, the prices, they're below my wholesale cost on them. So again, you're not going to get every Invicta there, but the ones they want to move, you're going to get fantastic deals. Like this one, I'm going to share with you guys in a couple minutes here, or maybe tomorrow, we'll see. I'm going to record in a couple minutes. This is another Grand Octane or Grand Arsenal, fully mirror polished. This, guys, I got this for $138 shipped, and then it went on special after I already ordered for $118. I mean, you can't beat that. I mean, a fair price for a Grand Octane or Grand Arsenal, depending on where you buy and what you may call it, has always been traditionally about $300. If you're paying $300, you're getting a fair deal. The most I paid for one was $400, and now, I mean, the prices are just insane, and really nobody can touch what you get with this watch. I mean, it really is amazing, but they don't always have these. So right now this watch is gone off Invicta Store, so you have to pay a little more if you like it. And if you get it through, you know, again, be a smart shopper, anything 300 under for a watch like this, for a lot of Invicta Reserve prices, you're not getting really ripped off. May not get the best deal, but you're not getting burned, you know. So with that being said, I want to show you guys the watch right now, and let's check it out, and drop a comment after this video is over, and let me know what you think of this watch. So I present to you the Invicta Hercules, Bolt Hercules. Okay, so there it is. What do you think? Pretty over the top. I love just the name is perfect. It really just it really relates to what you're. It's just royalty, the watch. It just really looks cool. It almost has this like Julius Caesar kind of vibe to it. Just really awesome watch, and it's definitely one I'm gonna have to pick up for my collection. Now, price point this here, I'm not really sure what it's gonna be. They did have an early release where you can get this in the Invicta stores. Some people got it. I bet they paid a lot for it. Evine did have it listed for $1,000 for a couple days, then it was gone. I did put the link in description. They've actually hidden the link where I actually had the link saved. So that will be the link for one of these models. I assume they're probably gonna put all the colors on this on Tuesday when they officially release this watch on Evine. So what they're going to do, they're going to have the official release on Evine for this watch, which I'm not sure again what the price point is going to be, but that's going to be really the only place you can get this. I'm not sure what's in the Invicta stores, but as far as online, the only place you're going to be able to get this for its early or for its release. Or its debuts. So now 2 days later, I believe on the 26th, Invicta Stores is going to release this watch. And Invicta Stores has never really, to date that I've seen, released a watch that quick after Evine's already got their hands on it. Generally, Evine's always been the source for unveiling these new releases and selling them until they really see, I guess, how it's selling, and then at a later date you'll find them on Invicta Stores. But I think Invicta Stores realize that we can sell these. I mean, we're blowing these things out the door with these yellow tag events. We can sell directly to the customer for a more competitive price. So I think, in my opinion, you're going to have very limited supply, I think, in my opinion, on Invicta Stores. Very limited. I think the price is probably going to be maybe a little less than Evine, but Evine's probably going to have the bulk of the inventory. That's just my assumption. Doesn't make it true, but I think it's a great piece. So what I wanted to share, the purpose of the video, I wanted to share with you guys, 24th Evine, link is in description. 26 Invicta Stores, link is in the description, and let me guys know if you pick one up. I'm thinking about picking one up. It's just a great looking piece. I just haven't decided what color yet. It is available in, again, 4 different variations. Again, if you click the links, you will actually see this watch in, the link's gonna take you to the one that's kind of got that royal blue face, silver chain, silver pushers, and crown, and then all yellow gold. So it's a really rich looking one. They also have one with a yellow gold face, same color combination. The black, all black and gold, and I think there is a, if I can find it here, yeah, an all silver band model with the gold. Oh, sorry, 5 different variations, excuse me. And then you have the all silver with the black. And you'll see when you click the picture. So again, you'll have the picture when you click the link in the description. Go into Evine, you're gonna see the all yellow gold, blue face, silver chain, we'll call it, and then you can get that same watch with a gold face, and then you get it in silver band with gold chain, black face, all black, gold chain, and then silver with black chain. I think the nicest one is really the well, they're all pretty nice, but really rich looking. The black looks really cool. So again, I don't know which one Evine's going to have, if they're going to have all color variations or what, but through the link. Definitely bookmark it, just put it in your browser, save it, because on the 24th this is going to be available. And then again, in the description there'll be another link to take you to Invicta stores where you'll be able to pick this up on the 26th. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think about the watch. If you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to ask. If you like the content, do subscribe to the channel. I always enjoy sharing this stuff with you guys and hearing about your stories and the different deals you got. It's fantastic. So stay tuned. Again, if you do subscribe, which I don't know why you wouldn't, it's a no-brainer, click the bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video. And with that being said, don't forget to check out this one here. Going to be reviewing this one here today. It'll probably be released tomorrow, Monday, most likely. So guys, thanks for watching and take care.